Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the SiO Beauty, wait a second, I don't want to say anything wrong. It's the SiO Hand Lift Overnight Wrinkle Smoothing Patches. But before I start my review, I have to say two things. First, don't forget to subscribe. And second, yes, SiO Beauty did send me free patches, but they're not paying me for this review, so this is a 100% honest opinion. On the package, it says that these patches hydrate, firm, and tighten your hands overnight. The package has 2 patches and they're reusable, so you can use them up to 15 times. After each use, you have to wash them and put a sticker on top of them before you store them again. This company claims that these patches help plump skin and smooth away the appearance of wrinkles overnight, and they create a brighter, more vibrant skin. So let's see the before and after. These are my hands the night before. Like I told you, we were very tired and I felt my hands a little bit dry after having my cell phone for too many hours in my hands. And also, as I always say, after you turn 25 years old, your body starts producing less and less collagen. So you have to look for different ways to keep your skin young, fresh, and of course, and most important, healthy. The patches are really easy to use. They are like stickers, and you just have to be very, very careful when you tear the paper that comes with it. They say that these patches are made from silicone and oxygen, so your skin can look smoother, firmer, and lifted. I'm not gonna lie, at the beginning it was kind of weird to have those patches on, but let's take a look at the after. I didn't have too many wrinkles, but you can see that my hands look really, really rested. And even though I have the marks of the silicone, you can see that my hands look a little bit smoother. So after that, I've tried it a couple more times, so I want you to see my hands now. You can see my veins popping out, but you know, I'm not a side sleeper, but I've been sleeping with my hands up, and I've noticed that a huge wrinkle was appearing from one shoulder to another. So one night I put the patches on my chest, and you can see the difference. Like, you can really see the difference. I put 2 patches, one here and one here, and I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but I have a line from here to here. Here I don't have anything, and I have a line from here to here. So it does work. So if you're a side sleeper, you should try the patches on your chest. The patch doesn't let your skin move. So if you're on your side, look at this. Your skin does that, right? And the wrinkles form there. But with the patch, this is not for your chest, but you put the patch there and your skin doesn't move. And of course, make sure you're not sensitive or allergic to silicone. I'm gonna do another video talking about how to take care of your skin when you're over 30. I wanna know if you tried these patches, what do you guys think? Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you liked it, and leave your comments below. Hope to see you guys in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful week. Mwah.